It starts with one quiet little moment. You lean toward your cat, close your eyes, and kiss the top of their head. To us, it feels simple, loving, almost automatic. But to your cat, that moment is not being understood as a kiss the way humans understand it at all. While your heart is melting, your cat's brain is entering a completely different experience, one built around scent, rhythm, proximity, and survival instincts that are thousands of years old. And the strange part is this: your cat may actually be learning more about you in those few seconds than you realize. Because when your face gets that close to theirs, your cat is not just feeling affection. They are reading you. Your breathing, your tension, your emotional state, even whether you feel calm or unsettled that day. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why some cats lean into kisses with complete trust, while others suddenly pull away after only a second. The reason has almost nothing to do with love, and once you understand what this gesture truly means in the feline world, you may never look at your cat the same way again. To understand what really happens when you kiss your cat, we first have to understand something important about how cats experience the world. Humans live mostly through sight and sound. Cats do not. A cat's world is built around invisible information: scent, air movement, body energy, tiny environmental changes most people never notice. So when you lean in close enough to kiss your cat, you are entering their most sensitive sensory zone, and your breath becomes part of that experience immediately. To us, breathing is background noise. To a cat, your breath is information, a living chemical signal. Cats possess an extraordinary sense of smell, far beyond our own. And hidden inside the roof of their mouth is a specialized sensory structure often called the Jacobson organ or vomeronasal organ. This allows them to process chemical messages in ways humans simply cannot. So every time your face comes close to theirs, your cat is quietly analyzing you. Your scent can reveal stress, fatigue, comfort, familiarity, even changes in routine. This is why many cats pause and sniff around your mouth or nose after you kiss them. Most owners think the cat is simply being curious, but in reality, your cat is checking in on you. They are confirming that the person they trust most still feels emotionally and physically normal to them. And when your scent feels calm and familiar, your cat's nervous system relaxes. That is why affectionate cats often soften their eyes after a close moment with you, because to them, safety has just been confirmed again. But scent is only the beginning. Something even deeper happens during those quiet seconds of physical closeness, something biological, because your cat's body and your body can actually begin responding to each other in real time. A cat's nervous system operates at a naturally high state of alertness. Even relaxed cats are built for quick reactions. Their heart rate is much faster than ours. Their senses remain partially active even while resting. Their brains are constantly scanning for movement and change. Remaining calm takes energy for a cat. And this is where your presence becomes surprisingly powerful. When you hold your cat close, when your breathing slows, when your face rests gently against their fur, your body begins acting like an anchor for their nervous system. Researchers who study interspecies bonding have observed something fascinating between animals and trusted humans. When two living beings remain in calm physical contact, their breathing patterns and stress responses can begin influencing each other. This is sometimes called physiological synchronization. And in simple terms, your calm body can help regulate your cat's state of tension. Your slower breathing, your steady heartbeat, your stillness, all create a kind of emotional rhythm your cat can settle into. That's one reason many cats begin purring harder when your face is close to theirs. The purring is not always just comfort for you. Sometimes it is part of how they stabilize themselves, a shared moment of calm. And this explains something many cat owners misunderstand. Your cat is not always allowing affection out of politeness. Very often, they are actively using your presence as a source of emotional regulation. You become the stable thing in the room, the familiar rhythm, the safe nervous system. But this peaceful connection also has a limit. And once you understand that limit, your cat's confusing reactions suddenly make much more sense. Because almost every cat owner has experienced this moment. The first kiss goes well. Your cat seems relaxed, maybe even affectionate. Then suddenly, they turn their head away, push your face gently with a paw, flatten their ears slightly, or walk off entirely. And emotionally, it can feel personal, like rejection. But most of the time, it has nothing to do with rejection at all. It has to do with sensory overload. To understand this, we need to talk about the whiskers. A cat's whiskers are not ordinary hairs. They are deeply connected sensory instruments attached to sensitive nerve endings that feed enormous amounts of information directly into the brain. Whiskers detect air movement, spatial changes, object distance, environmental pressure. They help cats understand the world without needing direct contact. Now think about what happens during a kiss. A large, warm object, your face, suddenly enters the most information-sensitive area of their body. Your breath changes the airflow around the whiskers. Your scent becomes extremely concentrated. Your movement fills their visual space. Your skin creates heat against their fur. For a few seconds, it can be comforting. But if the stimulation continues too long, your cat's nervous system can hit a threshold. And once that threshold is reached, your cat creates distance, not because love disappeared, but because their brain needs recovery time from too much sensory input. That small paw against your face, often it is simply communication. Your cat saying, "I trust you, but I need a pause." And interestingly, the cats who trust us most are often the clearest about these boundaries, because they believe we will listen. This is why respecting your cat's signals actually strengthens your bond instead of weakening it. When your cat moves away and you calmly let them go, their nervous system learns something important. You are safe, predictable, gentle, non-threatening. You are someone who listens. And that may matter to a cat more than constant affection ever could, because deep trust in the feline world is not built through force. It is built through respected boundaries. And that brings us to the final and perhaps most powerful truth hidden inside this little human gesture. What does your cat actually represent to your cat? Not romantically, not emotionally in the human sense, but biologically. The answer is extraordinary. In the animal world, the face is the most vulnerable part of the body. It contains the eyes, the nose, the teeth, the primary sensory systems, the areas most critical for survival. Most animals instinctively protect this zone. So when you willingly place your face directly against your cat's face, you are performing an act that completely contradicts predator behavior. You are exposing vulnerability, and your cat understands vulnerability far better than they understand kisses. That is the real meaning your cat recognizes. Not human affection, but trust without defense. You are showing them that you arrive with no threat, no aggression, no hidden intention, only closeness. And over time, your cat begins associating your face with safety itself. That is why some cats slowly close their eyes when you kiss them, why some lean forward softly into your forehead, why some cats gently touch noses with the people they trust most.
Those are not random behaviors. They are signs that your cat has accepted your presence inside their protected sensory world. And for a creature built on instinct and caution, that level of trust is enormous. So the next time you lean down and kiss your cat's head, remember this. Your cat does not think, "My human is kissing me." What they understand is something much deeper. This creature feels safe enough to become vulnerable beside me. And in the quiet language of cats, that may be one of the greatest forms of love that exists. If your cat has a special little reaction when you kiss them, maybe they lean into your forehead, blink slowly, or place a paw gently on your face, tell us about it in the comments. These tiny rituals mean more than most people realize, and every cat has their own beautiful way of communicating trust. And if you enjoyed this journey into the hidden world of feline behavior, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more calm conversations about the secret emotional lives of cats. Because sometimes the quietest moments with them are the ones saying the most.